Hello everyone, welcome back to the Advent Calendar. This is part 11, and since it is a Wednesday update for Star Stable, like I said last Wednesday, I'm not going to be doing a video on the update, but I am going to tell you what it is, since I'm doing a video today on the Advent Calendar. So basically, they updated the Yule Goats, and they have this quest you can do for them, and it is kind of like a daily quest, but you also get, there is a total of 20 prizes for doing them, and you reunite the baby Yule Goats with the mom, and then there are these big portals that they come out of around Jorvik. So there's also going to be a new color changer. It is supposed to be like a fawn, but it's called a fancy, like fancy sort of. That's what I'm thinking. But here's how you spell it right there. But yeah, it's called a fancy, like a CY at the end, like I just show you the spelling. And it's in the mold of the Andalusian, the updated Andalusian, and it is a color changer for 950 star coins. And you can find it in the winter village behind Santa's house. So, yep. So let's just open this door up, because I can't wait, because look how big it is. I think we're gonna get another fence piece, and I want another fence piece. So let's open it up and see what we get. Oh wait, what is that? That's not a fence piece. At least I don't think. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay, so look how cute this is. So it's like this little hay laying here, and then we have this little green leaf thing. And it has this other hole, so I'm guessing, well, as according to the box, I mean, there is a tree that goes attached to it, so that is something we'll get later. So now here is a little hay, and the fool's gonna lay in it. Nice and comfortable. And I guess it can eat that little green piece, whatever it wants. So thanks for joining, you guys. In tomorrow, we are going to have this store, day number 12, and that, I'm hoping, will be the kittens. I say that every single time there's a small door. I know. I say that every single time there's a small door, but I want the kittens, so of course I would say it. Alright, you guys, so we didn't get a fence piece, but we got that hay, which is pretty cool, because now the foal has a place to rest, and Cactus, if she wants, she can go in here and just lay in the stall. Thank you guys for watching so much. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.